Hey, what's up?
Yo, what's up?
Oh!
Boy, what's wrong?
Why would you do this? Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard, and today we don't know say a holiday, so you know who they are. Alex, what?
But yeah, I'm jumping like the last video, like the food video.
Alright, this Saturday night still. Go on, you can come out and jump in back. No, it's Saturday night and a blooper. Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard, and today we have Alex, cause apparently him spirits are going to unsettle if him not jumping. Behind the scenes we have Pango. Pango don't want to be on camera today. You see what I say? So you want to show your face? I'll show your face. Show your face. So the youths there today. You see what I say? Today we're on Omegle, and we're just gonna mess around. We're just gonna meet some new people, and we're just gonna go talk pato. Talk pato.
Yeah.
Talk pato. Yeah. Alright, bet. We did a quick run through earlier, and it's interesting out here. So let's go.
No, you realize the fun
What
one,
is
right?
keeping? The fan load?
What's it?
Hello? Yo! Dash that. When I trust that. That's sus.
Are you motherfucker?
God!
Janja.
Next time, dog! That's
Yo,
sus.
no.
God damn it. What is going on? What is going on?
I'm looking at my bag, it's my charger, dog.
What is going on? Yo.
Yo.
Dog, I never prepared. I don't know feel. Wait, I don't know feel. I never feel. I never prepared, dog. That was a hard R in a dog. Be gentle.
Dog. Yo.
Dog, the body look like a young thing. The racism. God.
So we can't get like girls only or something like that.
There's another option for that?
Yo.
Hey, what's up, yo?
Well gone.
Where are you from?
Where are you?
I'm from India.
You're from India?
So you got the curry and the roti?
Whoa.
No, bro.
You don't have the
What
curry?
are you doing, man?
What?
What are you doing?
No. Why you have a black screen? Why we can't
Why
see
we
you?
can't see your face?
Because I have turned off my lights. 3 a.m. night.
Alright, if you don't turn on the lights in 3 seconds, we'll
3 seconds. 1,
2.
2.
Wait, what's your name?
Dash that. Dash that. Somebody ma look. What's your name? What's your name?
What is your name, bro?
You come back?
We're not that. We're not playing the game
Yo,
later.
the money weird though.
What is going on?
We can use the monkey app, dog.
Monkey up better, no?
Yeah, we can use the monkey.
How use the monkey up? Wait.
Yo, what's good, lads?
Yo.
Where are you?
What?
What?
Agwanji?
Everything good?
Oh, what?
Huh?
Oh, what?
Which part you come from?
UK?
UK.
Oh.
So why you hiding?
What?
Why you hiding?
I'm just invisible.
Where there?
That's how wide I am. It's so bright you can't even see me.
You're a road man.
Am I a roadman?
Yeah.
No,
You're on a road man. Why?
because I'm not gay.
Oh.
God damn it.
Alright, cool.
Yo! That's what road man means. I never know what's that road.
That road man mean yo.
Like you do road like you're general. We never know what that road man mean. The man said,
No.
I'm not gay. What?
Hello, my friend. Are you from India?
Oh,
Where are you from?
I.
Caribbean.
English?
No.
No.
I come from India. We are eat the curry and the roti.
Okay. Okay, I'm from India, so I just yes, I'm from India.
Which part of India?
Sorry,
Which part you come from?
I'm from India,
Which part?
Delhi, capital of India.
Same, my friend.
Okay, you have a friend in Delhi.
No, I moved from there when I was 2.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. What are you doing?
We're just shooting a porno.
What? You are doing something wrong, I think.
Huh?
You are doing something wrong, I think.
You think?
We're doing a porno.
I can't understand. Speak in it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah, it's a joke,
I'm
it's a
joking,
joke.
I'm joking.
I know.
Alright.
Everything alright?
Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Okay.
Man said bye.
Man say, bye. That's so. Hello. Me never sign up for this. Oh, by the way, yeah, come out to the screen now. Them can't say so. The camera where I use.
Yeah, come on, man. Have to go.
Oh, watch out. Where you go, grocery?
Hello?
Hello?
Alright, you know.
Sus.
Yo.
What go on?
Yo, how old are you?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
You're
12. Why are you on here?
I talk to random people.
Why?
Bro,
You're
that-
12. That's not
That's
safe.
not good, bro.
Fortnite with them.
You,
Bro,
no, but
yo,
that's
what's your
not.
name? What is your name? Justin, bro?
That's not.
You're Justin.
That's not safe.
I'm cracked.
I'm cracked at Fortnite, my guy.
Your money never tell you not to talk to strangers.
Man, say him the bomb. Man, at 12 on the bomb, say him the bomb. Omegle to talk to strangers. What? Who wants to talk? Huh? What is it? Who wants to talk to
someone? Alright.
You know this? Oh, guys, by the way, if you're watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that your friend Howard said
You want to
so.
decide, you know?
Why?
Can I switch?
Fine.
So like, half of Indian population come on.
Yeah, man, say, bro.
India alone depend on Omegle.
And the road man.
And
Road one.
Tell them if you like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see if I can say it.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Tell a friend that your friend Howard said.
No,
Tell
say
her.
nothing.
Alright, cool.
Try the monkey. Try the monkey.
Hey, yo.
Oh,
Yo.
what go on?
Why pre?
Yo,
My friend,
what go on?
how are you? We're from North Africa.
No.
From the Caribbean.
No, North Africa.
Oh, you're from North Africa?
Yeah, North Africa.
Oh, cool.
Algeria, you know Algeria?
Oh.
Where are you?
Where are you from?
Caribbean.
Ah, nice country.
Yeah, them one dog.
I'm just someone, dog.
It's a nice country.
Oh, it's the monkey?
Yeah.
Yo, we could have stopped that still now, Alex?
Bombard!
Yo, put that in on very.
No, but this, you never did a video, dog.
Why pre?
Everything up?
Yeah, right.
You how much, dog?
16 Batman.
So is that cat you look?
Yeah, Batman.
Jaja.
Fucking black. Where think we come from? The West Side?
A Braffins, man.
So how much girl I get already?
Me lose count Batman. Me lose
You lose
count.
count?
You lose count, bro.
Biggs.
Biggs.
Watch on Biggs.
Biggs, watch out. What will you give it to a number where you get?
What?
Give it to a number then where you get into the funny.
You do what?
Give it to the number you get. You get the number?
Yeah, Batman.
Give it to.
To
Oh, what? Wait, my time is.
Yo, give it 2 number quick.
Give it 2 number quick, dog.
what the
Yo, I'm telling this.
I'm telling
Yo,
you,
man, you talk to. Here.
Yo, I'm a big man for you, youth.
big man, me not care if you're big man. Me want it.
You want it?
So if you're big, me what?
Alright, suck yourself.
Dogs! Oh, no, good. Dog, fool. Which one is again? No girls, is it about this?
Biggs again. Yo, hold on. We up on the wrong thing or something, dog? So we're not getting no girls.
Omegle and make no sense, so we'll switch to the monkey app.
Yo.
And we'll see how we're going.
Alright. Damn.
Be man on the app them though. That's sad. The man them thirsty in the world. That's
You know.
We're not do this, you know.
Yo, what game should I play today?
Yo.
Yo, what game should I play today?
What game should you play?
Like what? Yeah, like what game system should I play on?
Oh, you trying to flex?
Bro, I have the PS5, bro. That's nothing. I have the PS5.
Where's the PS5 at?
I'm getting that soon.
You ain't get it. We got it. We got it.
PS5.
We got it.
Cause like they're not sold here.
You're
yet.
broke. You're broke. Bro, you're broke. I have the PS5. You have 4 games, bro. That's
Yo,
nothing.
trade them in. Trade all them in for a PS5.
Huh?
Trade all them in for a PS5.
Nah. I'm actually collecting.
Bro, you're flexing with a freaking Game Boy, bro. Come on.
Come on, bro. Come on. Better than that.
Nah, I'm good.
Flexing with the Xbox 360, bro.
Come on, bro. Come
What kind
on.
of flex is that, bro?
Cause you can't find them actually over here like in Winston.
Where that? Where's that? Where you from?
North Carolina.
North
Like in
Carolina.
Winston-Salem, we went to every Walmart. We went to Best Buy. Everything.
Dog, I just told him life, dog. Alex just next it. Give me a line. Give me a line. A pickup line. A bad pickup line.
Can't look already anywhere.
Eh?
Yeah, look me.
Man himself.
Just do it.
The man himself.
Yeah, I think
Meet a new friend from United States.
Yo, my nigga, what's up?
What up?
What are you playing?
What up, format?
Bro, you're lame, bro. You have a PS4, bro?
Yeah.
Bro, where's that? Bro, throw that shit away, bro.
Where's
Buy
the
a
PS5,
bro?
bro?
Come on, bro.
No, man. I got that PS5.
A PS5, my nigga. Ah! Bro, listen, bro. Listen. Yo, give me your cash app. I'll send you some money to buy the PS5
Right now.
For real?
Right
Do I look
now.
like I'm joking, bro?
Bro, dead ass?
Yo, right now.
I'll buy you the PS5 right now, bro.
Stop playing.
Send your cash app, fool.
I know you can play, bro.
Bro,
Bro.
I don't play it like that.
yo,
You not serious.
send
You
me your
joking.
cash app. I'll send you 500 right now. That's why I'm on the Monkey app. I've been sending 500 to people
All morning.
all morning, bro. All right, bro. I'll just send it to you.
Alright,
next
you
person.
playing. It's fine.
Alright,
You
bro.
playing. Man love sweets. The man love sweets, is it dog? The man love sweets.
Yo, is that Jamaican? I don't know. You have been reported.
The man report with dog.
It's only free.
It's about
Hi.
Martin.
How are you? Yo, you guys are the first girls we've seen on the app.
Really?
Yo.
Yeah, like
Yo.
we've been on it like for 40 minutes now. First girls.
That's sad.
So what's up?
Yeah.
Where you from?
About to get
Where
on
you guys
dress, get in the shower.
He's from.
Are you still
Where are you from?
Yeah,
The Caribbean.
Yeah, he's from the Caribbean. I'm from South Africa. So yeah, I came to Jamaica when I was like 2. So
Yo, what going? What going?
yeah, what do you know? What do you know about Jamaica now?
What was that?
What do you know about
What do you know
Jamaica?
about that?
Nothing.
Just walk on. Damn.
That's it?
No, Bati warmings. That means yeah, right. Don't say that. No.
You know what? You know what?
No,
Nah, say it.
She
Say
said,
it.
Bati
Bati
boy.
boy.
What's it about?
It means.
No,
it means,
boy. That means like.
It means
what?
gay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what? Why are you guys hiding though?
No. What happened?
Why are you guys hiding?
We're not.
See, you guys just came in. What?
We weren't seen you before.
Sure.
Sure, we know. One must go on.
One must go on. Sure.
Move on.
Must go on.
There's 3 of us.
Alright, 3 of us. 3 are you, so we can get 3 numbers. Simple.
You just say 4 of you, 3 of us.
Wait, how old are you guys? It's
3 of us.
3 of
3
you.
of you. So let's just get 3 numbers.
Oh. That was smooth.
Yeah.
No? Yes? No?
Wait, how old are you guys? Actually, there's 3
How old are you guys? Wait, not yet. How old are you guys?
How old are you guys? Oh, no, there's only one. You first.
I'm 19.
Okay, the one in the middle.
21.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm 19 too.
You're 19. Both of you guys are 19?
Yeah.
How do you think we are?
Damn.
I'm like...
Probably.
Starting with 10.
Alright, you're probably like
18.
18.
You said 18?
Yeah.
You guys are probably in college, aren't you guys in college?
You're not?
Huh? No, just go next. Keep going. Go next.
You're not?
You go.
Oh, she look like 18 too.
18 too?
Like
Alright, 18 again?
18, 19.
18?
She's hiding, so I can't see. She's
Yeah.
hiding. Half her face. No, you're
Yeah,
hiding.
half her face is showing.
She looks like a child.
She look young?
She look young.
Yeah, you look young.
I look young? Thank you.
Alright,
What are your
ages?
Okay, 19. He's 19. She's the youngest. She's 15. I'm
God
15.
damn.
I'm gonna get out.
I'm in jail.
Alright. I
jail.
guess
Wait,
2
what'd you
numbers
say?
then.
So 2 numbers.
Monkey, I choose you.
No? Yes, no?
What was that? What happened? Why you guys
Two
coming?
So 2
numbers.
numbers?
No, 1 number actually.
Whose number?
Hers.
Why not?
Hey.
Wait.
So you're the only single one?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh no. She's
No, we're not.
We're not talking to her. We're not talking to her right now.
But yeah, age still matters.
Alright, let's get the numbers.
So both of you guys are taking?
Ian.
Can I get your number? on my
Alright,
iPhone?
it doesn't count if it's a different country. So let's get your numbers.
Can I get your number on my iPhone 7, please?
Real quick. No? Yes, no?
How about I don't got a phone. We be friends.
How about we be friends?
Yeah.
Yeah, but friends just change numbers. What are you talking about?
So stop blackmailing the older man.
Give her your number.
Huh?
Alright, let's get your Facebook then. Sure.
Facebook?
I have
Instagram.
Here, I'll put your Snapchat.
Instagram. I don't have Snapchat. We're from the island, so we don't really have internet like that. So
God, want to go to ring light?
Oh, that's a good thing.
What?
That's a good thing.
All right, so you guys are in college, right? I'm guessing.
Yes.
Which college do you guys go to?
Let me see. Why'd you say that?
I'm not trying to be creepy. I go to Barry in Florida.
In Florida?
Yeah.
What? In Florida?
Yeah, I'm in Jamaica now, but I go to school.
You guys in Jamaica right now?
Huh?
You're in Jamaica right now?
Yeah. But because I'm on summer break, so.
Oh. Wait, what did you say? He sounds so good. That's why he did.
They don't want to give us the numbers. Right?
Yeah, they're not giving a number though.
Well, yeah, it's fine.
So we're not getting the numbers? No?
Well, you give me your number.
Why? But we asked.
Who you ask first?
All right, here. Well, I'll give you guys my Instagram. You guys can take it. I won't take yours. You can just like follow me or anything.
I don't have Instagram.
You don't have Instagram?
Who?
No, I really don't.
Who don't have Instagram?
I'm sure your friend has Instagram.
Alright, tell me
All
Snapchat then.
right, let your friend.
Alright, tell me your Snapchat.
Now.
Let me see it.
Alright, so first, I got. What the fuck is this shit?
What's going on here?
What you whispering about?
Now we heard a guy.
She's on the phone.
Oh, cool. But she's 15. Why is she on the phone with a guy? She should be in school. She should be reading a book.
But yeah, scan that shit.
No, scan that shit.
What's it?
Scan it.
I don't think it's
Is it
mine.
Alright. Alright, we'll hit you guys up later, alright?
Okay.
Later.
I'm going to make next one.
Alright. Shit.
God damn.
Alex from Kingston.
I mean, at
Jamaica.
least.
From Kingston, dog.
Alex from Kingston. Alex from Kingston.
Yo.
Yo, how much dog enough for their school? You know, around 12.
How much girl I get from this already?
See what you did.
Dog.
Big chop in there for it. Like him up. Alex, you realize that you're in the something dog? You're in the wall of the camera dog?
I remember see my
What?
Yo, what y'all boys doing?
Yo, we chilling. We doing
Y'all trying to get a girl?
Get a girl?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
Y'all got no girls from morning?
Yeah, I got like 3.
How much?
How much y'all got? Alright.
Yo.
Nah, we just came out.
Yo, do I hear an accent where you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Yeah. Yard man.
You said what?
Yard man.
Yo, top of nice, no?
Oh, you from Jamaica too?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, we chilling.
Yo, the music, we can't hear.
Yo, lock off that number.
Wait, no. Yo, Chargy.
Yo,
You said what?
So which part of Jamaica you come from?
Kingston?
Which part of
now which part of Kingston?
Man like.
Waterford.
But I mean,
Who's the Waterford? Waterford. Outside.
Like, look like a countryman still, man. Not like.
You look like a countryman. You look like a St. Thomas man, dog.
I'm for real. I'm from
Deep Trelawney.
So a long time you overseas?
Yeah.
Like 4.5 years.
Alright, bro.
Alright. Big up on yourself. Look some girl, isn't it? I say?
Alright.
Up. I say Waterford, bro. Loud and proud of that. Waterford. Like a school challenge quiz. Where you come from? Waterford.
You have been reported, bro. Damn.
God damn.
I
A Waterford report with that? Should we know man, dog?
Niggas ain't getting no bitches.
Didn't know say woman we are looking.
No. Quit.
We know how to do this, you know. Yo, hombre.
Dog.
I feel violated, dog.
Fuck the people sit down with this every night.
Me feel every night. Every night. Me feel violated, dog. What time? 5 o'clock?
5 o'clock?
Already, bro?
Damn.
But the money's for like an hour, though.
I mean, nothing good
I
yet,
try
bro.
getting some content, dog.
How's that?
Alright,
You're not 19.
Bye.
You're not 19.
Okay, go watch the
You're not 19. You chat too much. Yeah, but hello. I had to pay for a virgin Alexa for the girl, them dog. You know see?
That's why.
That's a bit.
Boy, let's say a really quick picnic.
Yo.
Both of them are 19.
Alright, next.
Oh, the book.
Next.
Little girl, go read your book.
How are you?
Hi.
How are you?
Are you
good.
actually 19?
I'm 18.
So why did you put 19?
It has 19 on it?
Oh, I'm not sure.
No, it has 19. It has 19.
I didn't know that.
Oh.
Okay, good.
So what you doing on this app?
I'm from Louisiana, US.
You have fried chicken there? Like good fried chicken?
I know how to season my damn food first.
What?
People in the South, we know how to season food.
Oh, you know how to season food?
Yuck.
You know how to season food?
Yes.
Big question. Are you looking for a boyfriend?
I mean, I'm always looking.
You're always looking.
Alright, go. You tell them to choose.
Alright, choose one of us.
Alright, choose
one of
a
us right
boyfriend.
now.
Choose a boyfriend right now.
The one in the white shirt.
This thing.
Hey! What you saying to me? What you saying to me?
Yo.
What you saying to me? Man. What so here we go on. I'm Brandon, right?
Yes.
It's nice to meet you. You're very beautiful, alright?
Thank you.
But I have some stuff to do, so I'm head out, alright?
Let me tell you this. This thing at the pan, yeah?
And then this thing at the point. Pick up
This
yourself, mama. You're nice and clean.
The one in the white shirt.
How old are you?
Wow.
Like a bun.
Hey. How old are you?
Are you 18?
How old am I?
What?
Yeah, I'm 52 years old, guys. I'm 82. I just turned
Nah. We trying to know if you're too young for this app, that's all.
Okay, well, I'm not too young, so what's the question?
Nah, I'm just
Damn,
saying.
she
I'm
has
just saying what's up. I'm just saying what's up.
Okay.
Where you, all right,
So
where you guys
why
from?
the
No, no, no.
attitude, yo?
She
Why
had-
the
no, no,
attitude?
that one's shiesty.
Yo,
Where are you from?
And we are from. Wait, don't skip me yet. Yo. Okay, what's the question?
Where
where
guys
you from? That's it.
We are from Michigan. Where are you from?
Well, I'm from Trinidad and Tobago.
I'm from the Caribbean.
Caribbean?
Yeah.
Let's hear something. I want to hear some.
Wait,
What do you want to hear?
Do y'all, is it Spanish? I hope I'm so.
Yeah, we speak English, but we have patois.
What for go on?
No, like Caribbean. Since y'all like they're from a different type.
Where you want for here?
You want to hear some?
You want to hear some patois?
Some patois?
You want to hear some reggae music?
Oh, I like that.
You guys want to hear some reggae, some dancehall?
Let's hear his. The one on the left.
Who? Him?
Yeah.
Huh?
You want to hear some patois? The accent, dog.
What must go on?
It's a snake. Snake. I love snake.
Damn.
Some things that come she's not going good on something.
Damn.
I want it to know.
God damn.
Alright, you know.
Alright, this kind of sus. If it was another day, I would have said because yourself, but you know, no.
I got them teas.
Girl just.
My girl started to chat with the boobs out.
She's like, alright, let me know if you're interested from now. So.
What's up?
Is this an actual 18-year-old?
Yo, are you actually 18?
No.
Alright, you're younger than 18?
Yeah.
I'm 14.
No. Who know that? You see me, I say, you know it's Vibes Cartel. Ooh, you see a dandruff in my ear.
You know my head?
She have like a cooling, look at tubes are cooling, you have like 0.3%. You have 0.3% of cooling in your hair, come on.
That's it, touch it. Touch it.
I say you grudge that, you grudge that, no.
That's it, touch it.
You are a child. You are a child. You are not 18. What? You're 17. You still a child. You're not 18.
Your nose is status.
Yo, let me get it.
And you
Girl,
can't dress.
your stomach is over your jeans.
Look at your belly.
Ugly ass.
Imagine you're 17 and you have a butt over your belly. Over your belly.
Oh, shit.
Hold on. Look how good my game. How old is y'all? How old is y'all? How old is
First of all, I'm of age.
Off age. Off age.
Second of all, yo, pick one right now.
Right now. Pick one right now.
You said what?
Pick one right now.
Dylan, move.
Dylan, on to you, Dylan.
You didn't say my name, I don't
Hold on. Okay, so what'd you say?
Pick one.
Pick one right now.
Pick one of y'all to what? To
Let's go.
I picked the one in the middle.
No, Dylan. We are Dylan. What Dylan do that? What Dylan? Dylan. Come on. Him outside.
From me in Jamaica.
But him outside. You don't know how makes that? Yo, what's up?
What's poppin'?
Fax age first.
How old are you?
18.
Are you lying?
Are you sure?
Oh, so what's good? Where are you from?
Atlanta.
Oh, cool. Pick one of us. Pick one of us.
The first one.
Who's the first one?
First from
what
where?
color? What color?
Black shirt.
Goddamn. Goddamn.
Might I ask why?
Why?
Because you look skinny.
Goddamn.
You look like, I don't know.
I look skinny?
No. Me look like what? Let me hear it. You gotta say it.
Ain't nothing wrong.
Nah, let me hear it. If ain't nothing wrong, then ain't nothing wrong with saying it. Let me hear it.
You look like you don't got no style.
Goddamn.
A bit time.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you for your service.
Should I call it a digit?
Dog, you love man. You love man.
Why you act like you're a girl, brother?
Why do you look like you from Africa?
Suck yourself.
Why you act like you're a girl?
Good, because I me have.
Dog said because I am.
No, the dog do this. Dog say, dog.
Because I am.
If you come on camera, I'll send you $20 in your cash app right now.
$20 or what?
Okay, someone will say $2.
Okay.
What for going? What's up?
Nothing.
What y'all do?
I'm good.
Are you over 12?
What?
Are you over 12? How old are you? You look young.
I'm 19.
You're not 19.
Yes, I am.
You're like 15.
Alexandra, am I 19? See, she even said yeah.
But, alright, look at this. Yo, am I 52?
Yeah.
See, he said yeah. What are you talking about?
Look at that shit.
I'm just saying.
Okay, fine. I'm only 17.
Ah, you're a liar. Alright, but we just passing through. We just saying hi, alright?
Cool.
Alright. Who's that trying to catch that? Who's that trying to catch that? Alexandra, am I 19? Yeah. No, man.
Yo, it's the same. Is this a... Hello? Hi.
Hi. What's up?
What's up? Wait.
Y'all switch up out of nowhere, please.
What? What's
Hmm?
happening right now?
What's up?
No. All three of you were staring at me.
Nah, alright. Sorry. What's up?
I'm so awkward. I can't do this, bro.
No, it's okay.
We just saying hi. We're not being weird. We're just saying hi.
No, I know y'all aren't being weird, but I'm awkward. I can't.
Wait. Are you over 18 first of all?
Yeah.
Are you lying? Because a lot of people been lying on this. That's why I'm asking.
No, I like your background.
I'm 19 in October.
She's a child.
Alright, cool.
You're a Libra?
Yeah, we just saying hi. You really shy though. How are you on this app if you're so shy?
He's out of October conversation.
Oh, sorry. October
Oh
conversation.
my gosh.
Oh my gosh. We risked the dog. Jano, bro. I'm sorry, dog. Look how we mash up the dog. The dog could have get a green card and fly out and base something in the dog.
Are you your fault?
Jano, man. I'm sorry, dog. No. Is it for me to on this and see my daughter? Kill it with lick.
Hi.
Hello.
What's up?
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
We're from Jamaica.
The ackee trees.
Mango trees.
Anyways, I'm from Florida.
I'm from Florida.
Anyways,
What part?
From Miami.
Same.
Are you over 18?
I'm 18, not older.
Are you lying?
Are you lying?
No.
You hesitated. Why?
I'm not. I'm just. Why would I be lying to someone I don't know?
Cause
no, a lot of
I
liars
can
are on
just
this
say
app.
I'm like.
Alright, so you're 18. Alright.
Yeah, I'm 18.
Where in Miami are you from? Cause I'm from the rich part. Yeah, I'm from the rich part.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Damn one up. So
No, I'm not. What do you mean with what part?
I'm from what's that?
Dog walking, Bonar.
Are you having a party?
Yes, sir.
Can I come?
How old are you? Are you over 18?
No.
You can't be invited.
Why?
Bye.
Goes your sister, huh?
What kind of thing that charging?
What do you mean you link your sister?
Shut your bitch ass up, you Jamaican punk.
Grimy.
What is good? This good though.
Hey, what's up?
Yo, what's up?
Boy, what's wrong? Why would you do this? What is going on? Yo, what's up? Yo, no, I'm so scared right now, bro. I'm so scared.
Dog, the man vice deeper than mine.
The man vice. Yo, what's up? Yo, I'ma end it on this. The guy can see me, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna end it on this.
Sorry.
I'll make somebody today, I'm gonna end it. Let's see what can go on.
A group of monkeys, is that true?
It is true?
That's it.
Hey, what's up?
Hi.
You okay? What's wrong?
They cheat on me.
Who?
This boy I just met in here.
Damn.
God damn.
And he's my whole boyfriend.
You just met him though.
Huh?
You just met him though. Student. Picture anything else?
Oh, these girls are.
Hey, yo, what's up? All right, guys, real quick, right? So all
He
of
didn't follow me.
huh?
He didn't follow me.
You never follow
No,
her?
I missed it.
No, we were on this all along. Let me explain. We're doing a YouTube video, alright? We're doing a YouTube video, that's all.
Are we on it?
Yeah, you're on it. So wait, give me a second. You gotta do something for me real quick. Just say like, comment, share, subscribe.
Okay. Oh, okay. At the same time, or just like, comment, share?
Anyone.
Like, alright, yo, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Huh?
What's your YouTube name?
Howard's World.
Howard's World? So
Yeah.
This is the end of Howard's World. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.